Hey everyone, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. I hope you're all doing well today. And welcome to another edition of Coach MirandaMiner Daily Crypto News, Fundamentals, Technical Charting, Trader Quotient in 45 minutes. No? So, welcome sa inyong lahat. And I hope your Saturday is really doing well. As I've said kahapon, ang ating show today is a regular show. It's not going to be a Crypto Night Live Saturday edition. We will do our regular show today. And our Saturday is still special with couple of headlines na pinrepair ni Coach Miranda Miner para sa inyo to be able to understand what are the drivers of the cryptocurrency volume and the exchange rate. No? Tumama yung ating forecast. We will show later on ano yung forecast na yun. But before we start, again, our headline is it's the battle of the crypto billionaires. No, battle of the crypto billionaires. Elon on the left side and Jack Dorsey on the right side. Let the battle begin. No, it's a very very interesting headline because you're talking about two of the very very few you know uh, citizens of the United States who have 11 digits in their bank account. No, not in short, they're actually American billionaires. No, they have obviously 11 digits in their bank account, and they're not just billionaires, but they are extremely famous to what they do. No, so who is Elon Musk? So let's quickly open some articles about Elon Musk today. Sino nga ba si Elon Musk, guys? In case you don't know him yet, obviously Elon Musk is a billionaire. He's 49 years old, and his net worth is 167.5 billion US dollars. Obviously, he's an entrepreneur, a business magnate, and he's a founder, CEO of Chief Engine, and siya rin ang Chief Engineer ng SpaceX. No, he's also an early stage investor. He's a CEO and a chief co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. Obviously, he's a centi billionaire, meaning he is a billionaire, but he's not just a regular billionaire. His billions is above 100. No, yumaman nitong si Elon Musk lalo because his publicly listed company Tesla, ang Tesla shares of stock tumaas yan, from an average of around $8 pumalo ng almost $800. No, by the way, I'm also an investor in Tesla. I do have Tesla positions in my eToro, and profitable na rin tayo dyan, no? And then if you look into some of his personal details, no, obviously he's an American, Canadian, and South African. I think he is first generation American. Tapos he studied in the University of Pennsylvania, and obviously he's a very very influential person and notable person in Twitter. No? On the right side, obviously this guy is also a young guy. No, he's none other than Jack Dorsey, who is actually a also a multi-billionaire, 13.8 billion US dollars in his net worth. His name is Jack Patrick Dorsey. He's an American billionaire technology entrepreneur, and siya rin ay isang philanthropo at co-founder at CEO ng none other than Twitter. No, he is the CEO of Twitter and CEO of Square, a financial payments company. So, bakit nga ba sila? Why do they have this headline? No, this is a very very interesting headline because the first time that Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey is going to potentially have a debate. No? Have a debate. So, story time tayo, no? Si Jack Dorsey is actually talking about an event or a conference called the B Word, no? The B Word, which is an educational initiative to spread the adoption and promote awareness of Bitcoin, no? So, if you will notice, or if you will remember, meron ding isang sikat na tao na siya naman ay also proponent of Bitcoin, pero ang kanyang net worth is only less than a billion. No, less than a billion, so multi-millionaire, no? I think currently $250 million is his net worth, and his name is Michael Saylor. Ito naman yung medyo pinariringgan lagi ni Elon Musk, no, sa kanyang mga posts. And to be honest, I also there's also a Bitcoin mining conference na inorganize naman ni Michael Saylor, no, ni Michael Saylor. So he was also organizing the same, pero he did not get um, the right treatment, or sort of a I would call the word respect, no, from Elon. Maybe because he's not yet a billionaire. He doesn't have a billion in his zip code, no? So medyo iniinis lagi ni Elon Musk yan. There's even a time that Elon Musk actually posted, remember, si Coach MirandaMiner, meron din siyang ganyang laser eyes, no? But si A. Pompliano is also with a laser eye, no? So by the way, laser eye means you're actually supporting Bitcoin towards $100,000, no? This is actually a hip na nauso as early as February of this year. So if you're not aware of that, that's obviously a nausong fad yan. There's a fad way back February of this year, January this year, about supporters, no, supporters of Bitcoin. Anyways, so as I've said, Elon Musk was actually trolling the page of Michael Saylor, and he even posted he changed his profile into a Sailor Moon. No, this is a Japanese anime character that it is a female cartoon character na ginaya niya, and apparently pinaparinggan niya sa Michael Saylor, no. And it's interesting because Michael Saylor has been organizing a Bitcoin mining conference, blah blah, and hindi siya pinapansin, iniinis siya ni Elon Musk, no. Fast forward, nung nagkaroon ng Twitter post si Jack Dorsey, sabi niya ito. So when Jack Dorsey was actually promoting the conference called B Word, and obviously Jack Dorsey is a billionaire, nag-iba yung tono ni Elon Musk. Medyo may konting paghamon pero hindi pang iinis, no? So sabi niya dito, nung Friday, nag-reply si Elon Musk sa tweet ni Dorsey na sige, promotion ka sa B Word, no? Sabi niya, for the bit curious, very well then, let's do it. Sabi niya, sige, gawin natin, no? Tapos sabi ni Jack Dorsey, sige, done, we'll set it up. Right? So while Jack Dorsey was promoting the B Word, nag-reply si Elon, sabi niya, okay, this is gonna be for the bit curious. Sabi niya, sige, let's have a conversation, no? Tapos nag-reply pa dyan, hindi pa natapos yan dyan, no? Sabi ni Jack Dorsey, okay, done, we'll set it up. Di natapos, it didn't end there, no? Obviously, the B Word event kicks off in July 21, and it's co-sponsored by ARK Invest. ARK Invest is actually also an investor in Tesla, no? And Cathy Wood, we always talk about Cathy Wood, is the CEO and Chief Investment Officer. Sabi naman niya, okay, finally, brilliant. Let's looking forward to the session, no? And let me just give you a little bit of background of this, because I think meron tong magandang angle na pwedeng pag-usapan natin, no? Itong si Cathy Wood, obviously, isa siyang CEO ng isang malaking investment company who has some investments in Tesla. And obviously, if you are a big investor in Tesla, you will be updated of what's going on, no? You have voting power, etc., etc. And during the time that Elon Musk was actually creating some online actions or online tweets, about Tesla and Bitcoin. Sabi na ba niya sa post niya, okay, Tesla will stop buying Bitcoin, and Cathy Wood was like, okay, but if it's going to be to the detriment of the company where she is invested, then she needs to meddle, no? Kailangan niya makialam. And dung una, hindi pa siya nangingialam, pero nung bumagsak na yung shares ng Tesla that they are investor, doon na siya nangialam. So doon na siya parang siya na yung there's also an article in the past na kinuwantra niya si Elon Musk, sabi niya, not everyone is actually divesting from Bitcoin, no? Because when they said that they're actually when Elon Musk spoke about investing or removing their investment from Bitcoin, si Cathy Wood came in and said no, I mean, not everyone is divesting, di ba? So parang siya yung nag-act na as mediator, parang gusto niyang sawayan si Elon. But of course, she's not as rich as Elon Musk. No, obviously, if you're a centi-billionaire, you have a lot of influence. No, a lot of influence. No, so sabi niya, okay, sige, looking forward. Siguro, I think what she's feeling is, because she's also a speaker in the event. No, maybe what she's feeling is, sige, mag-usap na nga tayo. Ang dami niyong gustong sabihin sa Twitter. Let's have an official forum, no? Let's have an official forum. Let's talk about how can we further all support, and educate the people on the use of Bitcoin, no? And if it's gonna be an event that Elon will be attending, no, again, the B word is actually an event described as an educational initiative to spread adoption and promote awareness of Bitcoin, no? And if you remember, guys, si Jack Dorsey, meron din siyang personal mission to support and help the folks in Nigeria by promoting cryptocurrency Bitcoin, no? And if you look into the articles where Bitcoin is being adopted, Nigeria, surprisingly, is one of those countries na medyo mas mabilis ang adoption of Bitcoin, no? So, the billionaires are in the move. The billionaires like Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, and obviously Jeff Bezos, dahil dun sa article na sinabi natin about Amazon, right? So Amazon is actually hiring their blockchain cryptocurrency division leader, because they will have a cryptocurrency division very soon that's in charge on a DeFi space, no? Like the VeChain. So, more than that, potentially, baka si Jeff Bezos then is also a passive investor through his company Amazon, no? So the billionaires are in the move, and it looks like they're going to, this is going to be a very big event on July 21, wherein they will have a discussion. They will have a discussion. Okay, they will have a discussion, and it's quite interesting that this is going to be happening. And we'll see. No, I think more than anything, this will help promote the information drive and awareness. No, awareness of the general public on what is cryptocurrency. It looks like there's gonna be probably a potential debate. Tingnan natin ang potential debate na yan. But more than that, I think it's quite interesting to know that the billionaires are in the move, no? Which again, it will help propel the activity, the positive catalysts in the cryptocurrency space. Kasi syempre billionaires na nag-uusap, no? All right, so I hope sa inyo guys, sa tingin niyo, sino kaya ang kung if they have a debate, no? Sino kaya ang mananalo? Sinong underdog, no? Type number 1 if you think the underdog is Elon. Or type number 2 if you think the underdog is Jack Dorsey. Sige nga, what do you guys think? Let me know. What does the viewing public think? Is it gonna be a good debate kaya? And who's gonna be probably the winner? Is it gonna be Elon on the left side? Or Jack Dorsey? No? So type number 1 kung tingin mo si Elon ang underdog, meaning talo. No? Talo kaya si Elon Musk? Siya kaya ang number 1? No? Siya kaya ang mananalo? Or si Jack Dorsey, no? Jack Dorsey is also a billionaire. Huwag niyong maliitin yan, ha? CEO of Twitter. Kung saan sila nagtatalo, no? Kung saan sila nagtatalo, doon sila and he is the CEO of that company. No, ayan. So, looks like everyone is choosing number 2. Iniisip siguro nila, Elon is not the underdog. We'll see. Ayan, no? Sabi dito. Sabi ng tweet na to, let's have the talk. Capital THE. Let's have the talk. No? Tapos, for the bit curious, sabi niya, sige, let's do it. No? Usap daw sila. No? Tapos sabi ni Elon Musk, for the bit curious, sige, usap tayo, let's do it. Tapos sabi ni Jack Dorsey, sige, done, I'll set it up. No? I'll set it up. Right? It's quite interesting. Quite interesting. We'll see, guys. No? We'll see. It's going to be, for more than anything, I think it's going to be a helpful conversation about Bitcoin. And naman, Elon, right? It's probably going to be another Saturday Night Live. No, when he appeared to the Saturday Night Live, ang daming hype, ang daming conversations, no? We'll see. Kasi haharap na naman sa media tong si Elon Musk, no? Outside the four corners of Twitter. So if he's gonna be appearing in the live stream media, ano kayong sasabihin nito? And will it probably create a bullish sentiment sa crypto? Tingnan natin. We'll see if it's going to potentially help, the value of Bitcoin to go up again. All right. Okay. Anyways, before we move forward, I just wanted you guys to hear ang ating live. Nagkaroon tayo ng live yesterday. Okay, nagkaroon tayo ng live yesterday. And sabi natin that the Bitcoin can potentially bounce on a 30,000 USDT level. No, it can bounce, no. So I want to play this live stream kahapon sa inyo, and I just want you to listen in a very short in few seconds ano yung sinabi natin kahapon sa live na to. Pakinggan natin okay? That to also try to test and break down here, no? So we'll see later on, guys. We'll see, no? Some of the Bitcoin dominance is still there. If this will potentially just bounce, but I don't necessarily see any signs of life yet in our MACD. Still going lower, no? And as what I've said, no? As what I've said, based on the Wyckoff model, your Bitcoin can further test at $30,000. It could potentially test at $30,000 and bounce. Okay, so if you have some leverage there, if you have futures and your liquidation line is around 31K, then you're potentially at risk. You gotta manage your margins. So sinabi natin kahapon yan sa ating live, no? We said that particular statement. Sabi natin, it can potentially bounce on a 30K level. Okay, and sabi natin, if your liquidation line is a 31K, ingat kayo. You need to adjust that because you can get liquidated. And we said that yesterday. No, we said that yesterday. Laksan natin, medyo mahina daw. Laksan natin ng konti, no? Let me just quickly rewind, test and break down here, no? So we'll see later on, guys. We'll see, no? Some of the Bitcoin dominance is still there. If this will potentially just bounce, but I don't necessarily see any signs of life yet in our MACD. Still going lower, no? And as what I've said, no? As what I've said, based on the Wyckoff model, your Bitcoin can further test at $30,000. It could potentially test at $30,000 and bounce. Okay, so if you have some leverage there, if you have futures, and your liquidation line is around 31. Yan. So loud and clear, sabi natin, ulitin ko lang yung sinabi ko diyan kahapon, no? Based on the Wyckoff model, Bitcoin from yesterday can test the 30,000 level and bounce. No, and I said there yesterday that if you have a futures position and the futures position is at 31K liquidation line, you are at risk, no? Sana hindi ka na-liquidate, no? Because ano ba ang nangyari? What happened? What happened to Bitcoin, no? What happened to Bitcoin today? Diba? So guys, ladies and gentlemen, no? Bitcoin bounce on a 30,000 level. The previous support. Ayan, no? Nakita niyo yan. So, tingnan niyo mabuti guys Tingnan niyo mabuti. Tanggalin ko muna ito si MACD. Okay? Tingnan niyo mabuti ito. Okay? Ito yung previous support. This one. Okay, this is the previous support. The previous support was at 30,000 level. No? The previous support was at 30,000 level. It was actually on around a range of 30,160 level. This was May 20. And sabi natin kahapon, this can bounce at 30K level. And true enough, it bounced again. No, it bounced at the 30K level, right? And it could go bounce up. You know, it can go bounce up, or it could go bounce up based on the Wyckoff model. Or again, it's still a possibility. It's still a possibility for this to go down further. Okay, if there is a massive news or negative news that will come out, no? So, and then sabi natin kahapon, do not enter Bitcoin if you are on a buy long because it was forming a divergence. Sinabi rin natin kahapon na kapag weekend, itong performation ng Bitcoin is actually on a downward slope, no? So kanina may nag-message sa akin, sabi niya, "Coach, kumita ako ng 60,000 pesos, no?" He's actually based from Canada. Sabi niya, "I earned 60,000 pesos because I followed your recommendation." Swing trading. Nag-short siya, no? He did a sell short and he earned 60,000 pesos. Congratulations. Congratulations on the 60,000 pesos win. So nag-short siya because alam niya Friday babagsak ang coin. And true enough, bumagsak nga. Bumagsak nga, no? Bumagsak ng Friday, June 25th. No, bumagsak pababa, ang haba ng bagsak niya, no? And trying to recover again, no? So it looks like the behavior of the cryptocurrency on a weekend is always like this, no? And as what we've said yesterday, we were actually talking about, do we want to enter? Do we want to enter, Bitcoin? And I said to the team, do not enter Bitcoin if you're actually in a buy long, okay? Because it's actually forming a bearish divergence. No? It's forming a bearish divergence, right? And true enough, it actually went all the way down and bounced to 30,700, 30,000 level. And it bounced again on this area. So this is this is actually very familiar. Look at this, guys. No? I mentioned this in our live yesterday. It bounced. It actually tried to test the old previous support here. No? So let's see if this will continue. If this will continue, no? I think we're still on the phase C. Again, if there's a massive news that comes in, this can potentially further go down. Because obviously, yes, Wyckoff is a model, but sometimes the market could create its own trend, right? Can create its own trend, no? But I think that 28,000 is very strong support already. So whenever you enter futures, guys, dapat ang inyong liquidation line is below 28,000 level. Below 28,000 level. Okay, para at least meron kayong layer of support. You don't risk. Anytime that your liquidation level is at 31K level, you are at risk. All right, on this past in the next couple of days, no. So do not do that. Okay, and let me just quickly check, guys. No, just give me a second. Okay, I'm just trying to look kung merong mga potential formation or divergences, no? Hang on. Tingnan natin kung tataas to, ha? No, tumaas ng konti eh. No? Tumaas ng konti. Merong bullish divergence dito, no? Because of this bullish divergence, right? Tumaas yung price. Tumaas yung price ng Bitcoin here, oh. There's obviously a bullish divergence here, no? And then you see you see that the coin performance actually went a little bit here. Oh, so let me just give me a second. So from here to almost 5%. Tumaas ng 5%, nag-bounce on a 30,200 level. It went all the way up to 31,993 because of that bullish divergence there. And actually, it's trying to test again. It's actually trying to go down again, the 30K level. So congratulations if you actually saw that and entered on this particular area and then earned your way up, no, and get the profits. No? Congratulations. No? All right. Let me check again, guys. Just give me a second. If you look at RSI, look at RSI. If people are asking why I'm using RSI 30, of course, I wanted to. Okay, guys, sa mga estudyante ko, this is another Miranda transition play, no? All right, you have an RSI 30 at 30, you have your bullish divergence, and then there you go, you earn 5%. No, you earn 5% here. No, 5.72%. No, you see a divergence, and you see an RSI 30 at 30 here. No, perfect entry. Kung nakita mo yan, no, perfect entry. Yeah. So let's move on. No, so that's another entry. Let me just try to zoom out. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. Let me try to remove. Let me try to do a 4 hour trend here. By the way, greetings to our newbies. If you're new to my channel, please click on the like button and subscribe so you're updated every day of my live charting. I actually do a live charting every day at 10 p.m. every day, no, Mondays to Sundays, and this is gonna be something na pwede mong tutukan if you're trying to learn charting as a supplement sa ating video, no, sa ating mga playlist. Okay, so let me just try to look for a trend here. Okay. Give me a second, everyone. Okay. Kaya pala to nauntog din, no? Kaya pala nauntog din to because of this resistance, eh. No? There's also a resistance here for Bitcoin. And let me just try to remove all of this. No? So let's remove this one and this one. Kaya pala to na karon ng correction dito, no? Bitcoin corrected kasi bukod sa divergence, ito ay nauntog sa resistance na to. No? So, I think the plan of action nyo dito, okay? So, here's what I need you guys to do, no? If you're actually, wala pa kayong position, no? What you need to do is try to wait. If you're actually on a buying, if you're in a buy long position, hintay lang kayo. Hintay, no? Hintay. Wait for, just give me a second, guys. Wait to see a bullish divergence, a bullish cross in your MACD. Do not enter Bitcoin yet. No? Do not enter at this point. And wait until we see a bullish cross with conviction. No? Let's wait for a bullish cross with conviction. Kasi here's what we're seeing. Kasi it might go down again. Eh. No, it might go down again. Just give me a second, guys. Might go down again. Siguro it would try to test 30,000 level. and then bounce on a 30,000 level again, no? So, if you are a short-term trader, do not enter yet. Do not enter yet. Wait up until it bounces on this area, no? Wait until it bounces in this area. Let me just quickly do a fib. Just give me a second, guys. Siguro, let's wait until it stabilizes on a 31 level, which is your 31K level, which is your 0.618 level. Wait until it stabilizes there, and then wait for a bullish cross in your MACD. Okay, wait for that before you decide to enter. No, I think we need to see some consolidation at the 30K level. Do not enter and up until you see siguro bilang ka ng mga the next 12 hours, and if you see that Bitcoin is still at 30,000 level, that means that tumitibay na yung support niya at 30,000 level, no? And then wait for MACD's conviction, MACD bullish cross before you enter. And then ang yung RSI, your RSI, let me look at RSI here. Your RSI should have just give me a second. Yeah, your RSI should have RSI 30. RSI actually is on the oversold territory, no? Umalik yan sa RSI 30 almost. And I'm actually waiting for a bullish divergence here as a sign of bounce, no? Kasi nakita natin yan, no? Nakita natin yung bullish na yan, yung bullish crossover na yan. And kaya siya tumaas yung price. Okay? So, yeah. So, don't enter this one yet. If you have no position, wait for the MACD to tell you when to enter pag nag-crossover siya sa bullish cross, no? Tapos, parang ganito for example, no? Parang ganito. Parang nakukuha nyo yung ganitong mga swings, no? At kumikita kayo, no? Ito yung mga kukunin yung swings. So, for example, give me a second, guys. This one. So ito yung mga sample na kailangan yung kunin. No? Yung bullish cross na yan, and this is gonna be the bullish cross here. Diba? Nung nag-bullish cross si MACD pataas, okay? This one. Nung siya ay nag-bullish cross, right? Your MACD is crossing your signal. With a buying signal here, you're buying candles, buying volume. The price of your Bitcoin went higher, no? And please make sure na kapag yung formation ng iyong ng iyong Aikenashi is like this, dapat makikita mo si MACD is nagfa-follow din. Okay, pag once na umiba yung takbo ni MACD, magduda ka na kasi mayroong binubuong divergence yan. Okay? So tulad nito, for example, yung sabi ko sa inyo yan, di ba? Yun yung takbo niya. Taas, no? Pababa yung isa. So, this is a bullish, no? Bullish na yan. So, pag ganyan, pag ikaw ay short seller, isi-short mo naman yan, no? You need to short sell that. Look at this, oh. When you short sell, pasok ka dito. Ito naman is yung bullish this is the bullish this is the bearish cross ng MACD, no? Bumaba naman yung price niya if you're a short seller, right? Supported by a transition play, no? And then true enough, your value went down. The value of Bitcoin further went down, no? So if you follow this enter at the MACD bullish, that would have been a almost a 6% increase, almost, no, average. And if you follow this, you short sell on this, no, you would have earned, if you entered here pababa, just give me a second, you've earned 8.93%, no. So that's the power of your planning. That's the power of your indicators, no. If you see a negative, if you see a bearish divergence like this, your MACD is forming a higher low, and then your candles are forming a higher high, then you need to worry of a potential reversal of the trend, no. Pero in the good news is, once it hits the 30 territory of your RSI, pwedeng iyan ay mag-reverse ulit pataas. Abangan mo lang yan sa ilalim lagi, yung RSI 30 na ganyan. Abangan mo yan sa ilalim, no? Abangan mo yan. Okay? Kasi magandang potential divergence, magandang potential bullish entry din yan. Alright? Okay? So after the technicals, I would not review the coins today kasi almost parehas yung pare-parehas silang lahat, no? As I've reviewed already kanina, sabi natin ang Bitcoin is currently at the 30k high 30,000 level, north of 30,000 to a low 31,000, which is good, no? And then potentially will bounce at the 30k level. Nag-bounce naman siya, no? Tama yung prediction natin. But just make sure you still put up your stop losses kasi pwede pa rin bumaba yan, no? Just in case there's a massive negative news na dumating. Okay? I just wanted to spend some time as well to recognize yung mga posts natin sa Facebook. Okay? I just wanted to recognize and pinost din pala natin to, no? Yung weekend FUD or weekend FUD. Dito may nag-comment. Sabi niya rito yan, no? Sabi niya sa comment dito, "Salamat coach, nakapag-sell short ako dyan kahapon. Kumita ako ng 60,000 from 34,334 down to 32,001 sa 1-hour time frame using 4 indicators. Plus yung tip mo na bumababa siya kapag parating ng weekend, no? Tapos 20x yung leverage niya. Maraming salamat from Canada daw siya. So congratulations. Kasi 60,000 ano pangalan to? Si Jordan. Wow. And guys, so just watch out ka lang sa mga ganyang reminders ni Coach MirandaMiner para nasasabayan mo, no, yung mga ganyan trends, yung mga ganyang call-outs, yung mga live sessions na ganito where I give some tips, and I give some I give you a different lens on how to look at the charts, no? Yan, tapos congrats sa'yo, Jordan, ha. Pakape ka. Alright, okay. I-comment ko din yung post ni Dolly. Estudyante ko to sa batch 4. Miranda class batch 4. Ang setup niya is fib bounce with divergence. Ito yung Miranda setup number 1. Okay. Number 2, time frame 15 minutes, buy long 20x leverage. Enter the 31,700, exit at 32,200, gain for $4. Really, really good. Congratulations sa iyong profit. So ang ginawa niya, nag-plot siya ng fib sa 1-hour time frame. She saw a bounce in a divergence. Nag-antay siya ng confirmation candle and enter a MACD bullish crossover. Nag-set siya ng take profit sa 0.5 line. Galing, ah. Diba? Parang si Coach MirandaMiner na magsalita, no? I plotted my fib at a 1-hour time frame, saw a bounce and a divert. Kasi tinuturo ko po yan sa sa aking beginner class. Tinuturo ko po yan, no? So congratulations Miss D. Ang galing, no? So thank you sa pag-acknowledge at I'm happy that we're able to change we're able to continue the mission of helping the trading community by making them profitable one trader at a time. Okay, so we have one trader who's really profitable na. Congratulations. I'm very, very proud of you. Saka maganda sa post niya, meron siyang talagang how-tos, paano niya na-achieve. Guys, if you're posting mga wins, ganito yung gusto ko makita. Parang you're able to acknowledge ano ba yung how-to. No, how are you able to win? How are you able to um, get the profit? And also, maganda yung ginawa ni Dali. Sabi niya rito, ano yung learnings niya, no? Plan your trade, set aside emotions, and don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Okay? So, this is a very good opportunity. Guys, if you want to be profitable, ito na. Ito na yung mga nagpapatotoo, di ba? If you want it to be very, very profitable, look at this testimony. Look at the other testimony from Canada. Right? Look at that testimony, no? And, by the way, I traded kanina, alam na mga moderators ko to, I traded kanina, I earned 1,000 pesos again, no? So out of 5, no, I did not trade yesterday. So 6 days, out of 6 days, we already have earned 31,000 pesos. 31,000 pesos. Yan. Congratulations. No, okay. Alright, let's move on sa mga Facebook posts, no? Yung mga nagko-comment about learning. Ito kay Divina nag-post siya. Nabasa ko din to, very good. Sabi niya dito, hindi porket 1 minute time frame madalian ang panalo mo. Minsan naabot ka ng 30 minutes. Ginamit niyang technique BB50 and point 2 and Halmachi and MACD, Miranda setup, no? Naka 11 trades daw siya at 10 ang napanalo niya. Maliliit lang ang panalo bawat trade kasi maliit lang ang puhunan niya. Sa 10 panalo ko, lahat yun ay dahil masusi kong sinunod ang tips and tricks ni Coach Miranda. Paano ako natalo sa isang trade? Pumasok lang ako bigla at hindi ko tiningnan yung lahat ng indicators. Feeling ko kasi titirik na lahat ng green candles. Anong tawag dito, guys, no? If you are sunod-sunod na wins, hindi ka na nagpaplano, this is a potential Superman syndrome, no? So hindi pwedeng ganito, no? But at least ang maganda sa sinabi ni Divina, Rusty, in-acknowledge niya yung opportunity niya. Alam niya yung opportunity niya. Kaysa naman yung iba, they don't know paano sila natalo. No? Ayan, I also like yung ginawa niya rito na may learnings today in trade. No? Yun, sabi niya, bonus na lang din siguro na sa cellphone ako nag-execute ng trade at sa computer ako nag-charting. Pwede rin yan. So, salamat Coach Miranda sa tips and tricks mo. So, congratulations sa'yo. Congratulations sa'yo. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, thank you sa mga moderators natin. Thank you kay Choi, kay Charles for recommending our link. Thank you. Kung makakatulong, i-recommend nyo rin ang ating link tree. Andito na lahat ng ating enrollment form, YouTube channel, our playlist, everything is here already. Tapos, yan, thank you. Kanino to? May nag-post. Sabi ng post is, ramdam nyo ba ang pag-I love you ni Coach sa videos niya? Ako ramdam ko kaya napabili ako nito. Mas sumasarap daw yung kape. First playlist pa lang ang natapos ko. Will enroll soon. Oy, galingan mo, Gina. Antayin kita sa university. Galingan mo. Alright, I love you 3,000. I love you. Alright. Okay. Kakalabas lang nitong video na to. Akala ninyo hindi nagsascalp si Coach MirandaMiner. Nagsascalp pa din tayo, no? We're still scalping and using the same process, we're able to earn 9 USDT in 6 minutes or 360 seconds. So panoorin niyo yan, guys. Magandang follow-up learnings and lesson yan. No? It's time to earn. It's time to earn. Time to learn. Okay? Ano pa ba? Okay. Thank you sa mga moderators for responding here. Ito, gusto siguro I would just quickly like to discuss this, guys, no. Real talk reflections tayo, no. Ang isang trading ay isang negosyo. Ikaw ang money machine, no. So, sa mga moderators ko alam nila 'to. Lumaki kasi ako sa batang 80s kasi tayo, guys, no. Early 80s. Pagkakahalataan sa edad natin, nasa may line of number 4 na tayo sa edad natin, no. Um, Lumaki kasi ako sa isang bahay na kami ng utol ko, yung kuya ko, mahilig kami sa mga Japanese robots, no? Um, Kaya nahilig kami sa mga sasakyan, no? Tapos, fast forward 4 decades later, yung nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo na kung ang kotse natin o sabihin mo ng motor o cellphone, no? Mine-maintain natin, pini-preventive maintenance natin, no, by bringing them sa mga kasa para maganda pa rin ang itsura. Ganun din tayo sa negosyo natin, no? Kasi we wanted if we want our car to perform 100% all the time. At kunwari, meron kang business if you have a business na laundry shop, no? Let's say you have a laundry shop, no? And the laundry shop is siguro mga 10 washing machine, no? So kumikita ka because of the washing machine. So bilang isang negosyante, kailangan mong i-program lagi, preventive maintenance mo yung washing machine mo, no? Kasi yun ang kumikita sa'yo. Yun ang gumagawa ng trabaho, no? The same thing sa trading industry. Ikaw ang money machine, hindi yung journal, hindi si Binance. You are the money machine. And if you are the money machine, you need to make sure you're calibrating yourself, no? For example, ito yung ginagamit lagi ng mga nag-i-inspect ng kotse before ibigay, no? They're checking yung gulong, yung baterya, yung child lock, yung power lock ng bintana mo, no? The engine light, chine-check nila 'yan. Chine-check nila lahat, pati yung mga tunog, yung kalampag, yung mga gasgas, lahat they all check that kasi they wanted to tell you ano ba yung mga green, ano yung okay, ano yung yellow will require attention, ano yung red for replacements. Okay? So ginagawa yun sa mga sasakyan every 10,000. Every 10,000. Tapos yan, merong vehicle service record. No, nag-change oil ka na ba? Nag-oil filter change ka na? Magastos ang may kotse, guys, akala nyo ba? Every 100,000, marami ka ng papalitan dyan, no? Bukod sa tune-up, bukod sa wheel alignment, no? Kailangan mong palitan lahat ng mga major fluids ng kotse. Ganun din tayo bilang trader. We need to have our own multi-point inspection. We need to have our own inspection of our trading system. We need to have an inspection of our behaviors. We need to have an inspection ng ating different types of winning strategies or losing strategies. We need to do this. Kailangan natin to. Kung ang kotse o kung ang negosyo mo na, let's say na yun nga, yung na laundry shop, mine-maintain mo yung laundry machine, ikaw pa kayang kumikita sa trading. 'Di ba? So kailangan bilang trader, ini-inspect mo yung iyong system. Now, we need to write down our areas of opportunities by inspecting our habits, and we need to journal them. If you see a mistake, we need to correct. So for example, ano ba yung mga horn habits? Ano ba yung mga wrong habits natin, no? For example, lagi ka nag-all-in trade, no? Lagi kang hindi ka nagsa-stop loss. Tapos hindi ka nagpaplano, 'di ba? Nakikita nyo naman pag nagpaplano, kumikita, fina-follow yung system. Kumikita, 'di ba? Nagpo-post naman yung iba na ang dami nating testimonies na. Hindi ko na mabilang. And it's because they are actually learning and they're writing it down. Pero pang isa nag-post, yung mga previous Saturday Night Live natin, they're actually earning. They're earning almost, they're earning 100% win rate, no? So if kung ang kotse ay mini-maintenance natin, tayo din dapat bilang trader, we need to calibrate ourselves. Attend ka ng mga ganitong learning session ni coach, yung ating daily live. Attend ka dito. So you're going to learn more and you're going to further challenge yourself, no? Tama ba yung charting mo? Tama ba yung tingin mo sa chart? Kumpara mo sa akin. no? You need to compare, no? Para at least na meron kang meron kang point of learning. Meron kang point of learning. Okay? And then nakita ko din yung mga comments ninyo. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-comment. Sabi ko dito, I am listening to you. What coin do you want me to discuss? Karamihan sa inyo nagsabi you guys want me to discuss Shiba. Sige, di-discuss natin yan very soon. Okay? We will discuss that very soon. So we have Shiba and then Dogecoin. Dogecoin, we have not 95 votes. Followed by Tether, XRP, Tron. Walang nagdagdag ng other options, no? The others did. Oh, actually, we have 8 more. We'll see. Solana, Litecoin, Inks. Okay. Yung iba, mababang vote na lang. No? So, ang pinakamarami natin, Shiba. Sige, we will find a time to discuss Shiba since majority of you want me to discuss Shiba and we will definitely go with that. No? We'll definitely go with that. Okay? Ayan, another one. Last na to. Kinoment natin, no? May all the great winning trades be with you. Continue learning, continue journaling, understand the how-tos. Ayan, no? Sabi niya, thank you sa mga tutorial mo sa YouTube, Coach. Thank you. Hindi ko alam paano mapasalamatan kaya hindi ko na lang inisip. No? Hindi ko na lang ini-skip ang mga ads mo sa YouTube, sabi niya. So, yan. So, I mean, congratulations to you, but you need to journal your trades. I mean, congratulations, you need to journal your trades. Alright? Okay, isa pa to. Sana rin, sabi niya dito, Coach, ang total win ko po kanina ng 5 a.m. So, around $14. $13. Sabi niya, 6 trades po siya, Coach. Minamaster ko po ang feast. Sinasabayan ko po ng bounce. Nag-enjoy ko po ako na sumabay at abangan ng mga bounces. Thanks po talaga sa proven system ninyo. Grabe, sana nakilala ko po kayo maaga para natutumi ng tama. Hindi po na liqui, but lesson learned po naging Superman yan. O, di ba? Lesson learned lang. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung lessons learned. No? Okay. I think it's already 10:53. Let me just read some comments online sa ating chat room. No? Let me just look into the questions. Ayan. So, tayo sa dulo. I'm Amy G. Hello. Hey. Kamusta dyan sa US? Thank you sa comment mo. I appreciate that comment. Very talented. You teach not only the brilliant mind, but with a passionate mind. Thank you so much. Yeah, can't wait for the class on July 13. See you ha. See you sa... by the way, meron tayong Team USA, guys. Team North America. Lumalaki na yung team na yan. Congratulations. Led by our very good moderators, Judex. Hello. Ingat sa pag-travel. I know you're going to Southeast ba? Tama. You're going to Southeast FL, no? Ingat kayo dyan sa pag-drive. Mahabang drive yan. Ingat dyan, Brad, no? And then, led also by Beth. Napaka-adorable ng mga chikiting. Tapos, led by Nida, no? Si Nida. Every time I talk to Nida, na-inspire ako mag-travel, eh. Pinag-uusapan kasi namin yan, mga sailing, tapos yan, siguro Nida nakita mo na yung post ni Coach, no? Ako kasi gusto ko yung nagsisail. Gusto ko yung mga sailing na, meron akong island hopping, sailing, gusto ko yung mga ganyan, no? Minsan gusto ko yan na challenge, no? Pero yung gusto ko na yung mga travel, I really want to travel, kaya ni-inspire ako sa inyong lahat. Hindi lang ako makalabas. Hindi tayo makapag-travel ngayon, guys. No, may pandemya pa, hintayin natin matapos siguro, no? Saka syempre, I cannot bring my daughter. We also wanted to make sure yung anak natin safe, no? So, okay. Ano pa ba? Ang macho ko daw, early 30s. Thank you. Okay. Coach, sana po may weekend classes. Pag-isipan po natin yan, Janelle, marami po nagsasabi na tayo ay mag-weekend class, no? Weekend class yan. B-Rix Trade, medyo malapit na dyan. Ayan. Of course, of course, I would like to acknowledge your comment, Amy. Thank you. Oo, sabi ni Nida, sarap kaya, Coach, lalo na pag libre or training. Sabi ni Coach, may kaparehong boses na, si Coach may kaparehong boses na nagme-mentor. Sino po kaya yun? Ito po ba yung panlasang Pinoy? Gusto niyo po bang gayahin ko si Panlasang Pinoy? Alright. Sa wall po ni Coach, nag-post ata kanina. Ayun. Sale lang sa mall alam ko. Pero sana soon makagala din around the world. Oo nga. Oo, marami ng sale ngayon guys. No? Marami ng sale ngayon. No? So, sarap mamili. Sarap mamili. No? Kanina, I went to a Vietnamese restaurant. No? Na-miss ko na yung Vietnamese restaurant. I ordered yung usual nilang, di ba, in Filipino, you have your lumpia. You have your lumpia in the Filipino. In the Vietnamese, you have your rice noodles. No? Piniprito yon inside the lumpia wrapper. Tapos, ang sarap guys. Nako, ang sarap ng kain ko kanina sa Vietnamese restaurant. Yan, alright. What else? Kaboses ko daw yung professor niya sa Adamson. Baka naging professor mo ko. I used to be a professor. Nagturo kasi tayo ng I taught accounting and marketing sa college before. When I graduated college, nagkaroon ako ng passion sa accounting. So, I love accounting, no? Hindi ko alam, pero pag nakakita ako ng numbers, in love ako sa mga numbers. Gusto ko mag-analyze, no? Ng mga different types of financial statements. Kaya siguro, na in love si Coach MirandaMiner sa stock market and sa cryptocurrency. Kasi mas gusto niyang makita ng numbers, no? Charts, graphs, journaling, guys. Naku, basic yan ng accounting, journaling. So, okay. Hey guys, it's 10:57. Okay, sabi ni Mr. Doge, Coach, if not weekend, morning session po kung pwede. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, it's already 10:58. Guys, I'd like to say thank you so much sa inyong pagmamahal, sa inyong support. Palambing lang po. Palambing lang. Paki-share naman ang ating YouTube live. Paki-like din po. Paki-like. Tapos paki-share po sa inyong mga friends na hindi pa nakakakilala kay Coach MirandaMiner. I need your help para lalo pa tayong lumaki. We grow to as big as 20,000 subscribers. Kaya po natin yan, no? And like you guys, we can also help the other communities that need help, no? And we have so many free learning materials in our Coach MirandaMiner learning system. We have our YouTube channel, we have our 8-week course, we have our beginner playlist, intermediate playlist. We also have our futures and advanced and professional traders playlist. You have my scalping playlist. Everything is given here free. No? Obviously, except yung ating Miranda Elite University, you have your lab fee there. You have your calculator, you have your personality tests. No, you have a trading community. You could join our Discord, you could join our Facebook group. Andi dito na lahat, guys. No? Punta ka dun sa pinned message, yung pinin ko na message ngayon, you could get there the link na where you could find this landing page and just use, and please share this po sa ating mga friends po para marami pa tayong matulungan. Okay? Okay guys, it's 10:59. Sa aking mga moderators, I'd like to greet all of you. Thank you so much. Danielle, Nida, si Goma, si Luke, lahat ng ating moderators, si Milka, sino pa bang hindi ko nakikita? Si Galamax, hey! Galamax, welcome. Good luck sa board exam, ha? Si Gabriel, Milka, sino pa ba? Si Choi, si Yael, I see Yael here, hello. Everyone sa lahat kayo, no? If I don't read your name, I'd like to acknowledge all of you, no? So I love all of my moderators. Thank you guys sa inyong pagmamahal. Maraming salamat sa inyong support, and I hope that you continue to support the Coach MirandaMiner Global Community. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Okay? And sa mga estudyante natin, sa ating wave number 6 beginner, our classes will start 5 p.m. ng Monday. Ang ating intermediate wave 4 will start at 2:30 on Monday. I will see you guys there. And then of course ang ating Team UAE, napakaganda ng discussion natin nung Friday. I hope you all learned. And then I will see you guys all on the next Friday, July 2. Okay, I'll see you guys there, And good luck sa aking mga estudyante, and please, I hope you learned something today. Wag pasok ng pasok sa mga trades. Okay, all right, guys. Thank you so much. And Coach Miranda Miner loves all of you guys. I love you 3,000. Okay? Bye for now, guys. Thank you. Thank you.